Being black comes with so much weight. Okay, if you're messaging someone online and you mention to them that you are black, automatically they have a list forming in their head. Okay, today we're going to be looking at some positive black stereotypes, so stick around, let's get right into it. Now, thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm very happy to see all the new eyes. Please subscribe. If you're new here, I am Diamond. I do comedy, commentary on popular opinions, advice. I do everything you can possibly think of. So check out my channel, watch my videos, and if you like it, subscribe, okay? If you are a returning member of the Diamond Gang, thank you for your patience. Okay, today's video we're going to be talking about positive black stereotypes. So let's get into number 1. You smell good / you smell like cocoa butter. Okay, if you guys have seen any of my videos before, you know I don't use lotion. I self lubricate. Baby got that Aquafina. Okay, but I have seen videos with people making everything butter, and it's like something you can put on your skin, you can put it on your lips, you can put it in your hair. Not interested. Let's get to number 2. Number 2, black men have huge, yep, it is a perfectly normal word and it's totally fine to say it. Black women are curvy, black women have big butts, and we have great hair and skin and teeth, and I mean, I can't hate it. Number 3, independent / strong black women. Now, I'm gonna link a video up there if you want to watch that. But when I say that, I mean, if a woman is living on her own, doing everything by herself, sustaining herself, and also training her body, strengthening her body, then she is independent and strong. Now, if she is a single mom struggling with her kids, and you know, she's just having a hard knock life, or she's just going through the motions, that is not strong or independent. That is persevering. That is also enduring. Okay, so independent and strong can be a compliment, but it is very specific. The woman must be on her own, doing everything by herself to be independent, obviously, and in order to be strong, she must be a woman who is training her body to be physically strong. Strength has nothing to do with emotions. Next point. Number 4, you're artistic, you're creative, you're an engineer, you can sing, you can dance, you can draw, you can build a rocket, you can fix broken things, you can create new things, you can play sports, etc., 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 etc. Number 5, you put your family first. You do, but I don't. I'm kidding. My dad is the absolute greatest person on this planet. Period. Point blank. Thank you so much for your service, Mr. Stewart. Thank you so much for your service. Okay. But yeah. Families are trash. Absolute garbage. Number 6, we stand up for everyone, no matter what race you are. If you have a black friend, you know this. Do not hurt a black person's friend and let them see, okay? Because we go hard. We will be forming the squad and assembling the squad immediately. Come outside, okay? We're not gonna jump you. We just want to talk. Number 7, you are intelligent. Once you're born black, you're automatically smart, and once you learn how to talk, you're acting grown.
Mom,
okay.
I am literally trying to explain to you the theory of relativity.
Well, you know what? I have a theory. Cut the cameras. Dead ass. Number 8, you can cook. You may not want to because you got that whack. But you can cook, okay? Now, most of my viewers are in America. I am Jamaican of Bahamian descent, so I'm very Caribbean. We all know that a lot of us came to this part of the world because of slavery. Not all, but a lot. And we have similar foods that we eat, okay? Similar things that we remember, that we, you know, try to keep going in our separate countries that we were sent to, or, you know, brought to. So Americans and Caribbean people, we have a lot of the same things that we eat as black people. But I do know, like, gumbo and, you know, like seafood boils and stuff like that, and different types of food that I've never tasted, which I'd love to eat, because your girl is a foodie, because my stomach is in touch with its African roots, you know. But yeah, we eat a lot of the same things. So if you like to eat, you gotta know how to cook, okay? No gender roles, no nothing. You gotta know how to cook. And black people, often we know how to cook. And personally, in my own opinion, on my channel, I think men cook better than women. Drag me in the comments, babe. Drag me in the comments. Number 9, you are a go-getter, okay? You will achieve success by any means necessary, whether that means walking to and from work for miles, or saving years for a specific dream that you want to see come to fruition, but you need a certain amount of money to do it. You will get it done. You're very determined. You are very motivated. Number 10, your house is always clean. Now, if you use one spoon and you leave it in the sink, make sure, especially if you're living with your parents, make sure that spoon is clean when they get to the sink. Okay? Because you're trying to avoid changing from black to black and blue. And usually in black households, we all have like a specific chore. So you'd have this person do the dishes, and this person do this, and this person do that. And you have to do that chore regardless, okay? Oh, they used 100 plates and you only ate out of one? It's your duty to wash the dishes. You have to wash all. Okay, now that we're at the end of this video, I would like to say positive stereotypes sometimes stem from negative ones, and it is still a stereotype. So do not use a positive stereotype to compliment someone unless it is specific to that person. Okay, so don't put anyone in a box. Okay, so if you know a stereotype, a positive stereotype is that Asian people are smart, and you know an Asian person, don't say, oh, you're Asian, you're smart, right? Everybody ain't gonna be smart. You feel me? Every black person isn't gonna be athletic. You get what I'm saying? So do not put people in boxes. I'm black, I cannot dance, and I will insert clips all over the screen. Okay, I can't dance, I can sing, I can cook, I can do a lot of the stuff that black people are stereotypically good at, but I can't do a lot of the stuff that we're also stereotypically good at. You get what I'm saying? That doesn't make me any less black, because I'm very much black. Okay, but individually I am different because I can't do certain things. I was raised in a different environment, blah 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 blah. So as I said, do not put people in boxes. If you're gonna compliment someone and you're gonna say black people are athletic, make sure it's a black athlete that you're giving that compliment to, or otherwise it's not going to be positive. It's going to be negative. It's not going to be a positive stereotype if it doesn't affect if it doesn't apply to that specific person. Okay, so keep that in mind and you'll be all right. Okay, that is all I have for this video today. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you know when I post new videos. Comment on this video and let me know what your favorite part was. Let me know what I missed. Let me know which one applies to you, what positive stereotype applies to you. And thank you again so much for watching. I do appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Pick my nose to the side. You see that? You see that? Do you see that? I pick my nose to the side. And now, oh wow, I could be a good ghost, bro. Look how good I look. Ooh. Ooh. Are they done? No. Okay. Keep going, don't stop. Are you done? Are you done? Let me know. Are you done? Okay, can I film now? Alright, thank you. Got babies laughing. Got dogs barking. People drilling. Cars parsing. Cars parsing. Literally. Every noise possible is in this video, except noise in this house.